Creating a Substack account is a straightforward process that allows you to start your own newsletter or subscribe to others. Here's how to do it. Visit the Substack website. Go to substack.com using your web browser. Start the sign-up process. Click on the Get Started button on the homepage. You will be directed to a page where you can enter your email address. Create your account. After entering your email, click Sign Up. You will receive a confirmation email. Click the link in that email to verify your address and proceed to the next step. Set your password. You'll be prompted to create a password for your account. Choose a strong password to keep your account secure. Create your profile. Once logged in, fill out your profile details. Add your name, a profile picture, and a brief bio to introduce yourself to potential subscribers. Start your newsletter. Choose to create a newsletter by clicking Create a Publication. You can set it to be free or paid and customize your settings. Publish your first post. Write and publish your first newsletter to begin sharing your content with your audience.